guys, Scott from FatB Trader here. Just want to bring you a quick video update on the Euro US dollar. We've just closed out our trade on that particular position at target, which is very good, 11370. Now just drawing your attention to what actually brought us into this particular trade, coming out on the longer time frame. Where are we here? We're looking at the 15-minute chart. Basically the 1 hour chart, you can see there it's actually formed a little bit of a, this is actually really nice, a little bit of a higher low here. Yeah, obviously it's still on a downtrend, let's face it, but if you're looking at this on a very short-term basis, which I do, it is obviously in a little micro uptrend here. So if we put an equidistant channel on here, we can probably say that that's, you know, it's basically channeling upwards in this zone here. So anytime we see this coming down to touch this, these sort of zones, we want to be getting in. Now, the reason this actually piqued my interest today is it's come down to this zone I've been watching out for. You can see it's tapped it quite a few times there in the last day or so. And it's sort of this zone around the 113.40. I believe there is some key institutional buying and selling going on at that level, and some option expiries at that level. You know, for those of you who are aware of that, great. For those of you who aren't, you know, instos, buy and sell, large blocks of currency. Sometimes there's really good levels you can buy from. And obviously the level I was targeting was the 113.70 level, which was actually the daily pivot there, and you can see it got very close on the bid. If we have a look here, it virtually touched on the bid earlier on today. Oh, look at it go now. It virtually touched it earlier on today, but I wasn't really super convinced by it, because it basically fell away, but it didn't fall away significantly, if that makes sense. Whoa, look at that go now, jeez. So it didn't actually break its lower low, so I was looking for another point to target up towards that pivot level again, see if it could have a crack, which it is doing now. So bring you into the 1 minute chart here, and I've zoomed it out to the 5 minute chart so that you've got a bit more of an understanding of what I was looking at and why I've actually taken it. So you've got bang, bang, you've got these touches, yeah, and this one here, it just did not come through. Obviously my indicators were indicating we were drawing through for a surge. Coming into London, it has just pushed right up to that target, which is fantastic. So, and it looks like it's going to continue to go, or is it going to continue to go? This is going to be where, looking at some of these levels here, if I just, sorry, I'm jumping around all over the place, but if I just zoom out here to the 1 hour chart, we have a look and see where this, it'll be interesting to see if this candle closes up through here, which it's not at the moment. It's just having a little push up through there, but if it actually closes up above this level and the next candle comes up and actually, you know, sits on top of here, I'll be looking to take further longs, maybe targeting you know, 114.30. It really depends on what happens for the rest of the day. Overall, I've made a pretty good return today, so I'm pretty happy, and I think I'm just about done. You only really need one good trade every day. There's no point pushing it, people. If you have a good trade, shut it down and move on. You know, don't let your trading get out of control. That's the one thing I see with guys, you're particularly coming in, they just, you know, they take too many trades, they just let it get out of control. Don't get me wrong, I used to scalp like crazy on the 1 minute chart and literally, you know, do 20 or 30 trades a day, insane sort of stuff. My stress level's a lot lower nowadays. Alright guys, I hope that all makes sense. I hope you got on that trade with me. This is just a sum up video. If you've got any questions, you can reach me at FatB Trader. Till next time, trade well.